Around 50% of the world's total population is email users. Despite the spiral growth of online messaging apps, social media, and text messages, the number of email users continues to increase. However, less than 5% of the total mail users worldwide are using paid business emails on their own domain. Powered by cloud technology, Dizzy Cloud offers one of the fastest and most secured paid email services in India called Dizzy Mail. We facilitate quick, easy, and safe communication between business and people, linking everyone for a secured and fluent exchange of information and ideas. We aim to provide complete mailing solution to small, medium, and large businesses and focus on developing new and improved value-adding services. In our 7 years of service, we have brought into our fold more than 13,000 emails. Our client retention rate of 94% is proof of the faith and trust our clients entail in us. Activating services of Dizzy Mail is fast and easy. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are set for Dizzy Mail users. Mail scanners are set to reduce spamming, spoofing. The email account lock feature and IP block feature is available for any wrong password attempts or brute force attack to access any email account. Our plans come with attractive offers and reasonable pricing. Dizzy Mail. Faster, safer, easier. www.dizzycloud.com